No.
Oh, babe. Hi. Hello, it's Sherry. Welcome back to my channel. I'm looking pretty haggy today, but I really don't care. Want to peek? Be nosy? Oh, say hi.
Hi.
Say what you doing? Go draw all over the walls, most likely. So, yeah, you go play. Let mommy do this. I just honestly wanted to just come unbox these boxes I got. Okay, so right now I got my Allure Beauty, and these are for June. So Allure Beauty box, you open it up, it's like that, and we got our little products in here. My box, I always get this little Hello Fresh $60 gift card. So then I get this Allure Beauty box paper. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at her makeup and freckles. And look at back here. Isn't that gorgeous? This is a cute bag here. They kind of made it different. They had the buttons down here, but every time I would play with the buttons, the side would rip open. So I kind of like it like this. Maybe I could actually use it this time. So the first product I have here is the Laneige Water Bank Water Moisture Cream. Brimming with beauty. Also, according to my thirsty skin, this cream is a great balance between light and effectively moisturizing. Doesn't feel heavy, it really doesn't, but it thoroughly plumps my skin with ceramide sodium hyaluronic. Yeah, I love creams, moisturizers. Next, Amora Pacific Moisture Bond Rejuvenating Cream. Ultralight cream goes on like a lotion and sinks in like a serum. Oh wow, opens like that. Isn't that cute? They have the mirror though. That's odd. Suppose you could look in the mirror and watch yourself put it in. I don't know. It's kind of cute. I mean, little mirror on top. See that? I love skincare. Well, next we have Eyelights Metallic Eyeshadow St. Bart's. It says Model CO. This bronzy champagne cream shadow dries fast, doesn't crease or rub off. Still put applicator deposits the perfect amount of rich color across your lids for a cool metallic effect, but you can also blend the edges out into a glittering haze. Ooh, that's all pretty. And then next we have St. Tropez Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Gel. Of all the self-tanning formulas I tested, foams, lotion, sprays, liquidy gel is a clear winner. It's easy to spread a thin coat over dry skin, so I didn't get any streaks or splotches. There's no guide color, so it doesn't stain clothes, but its glistening wet texture lets you see and feel where you've applied it. It sinks in quickly, and the scent is a mix of fresh and tropical. Truly, it left zero stink behind. I used it in the morning and ran around all day. One application is great for a subtle glow, but I used it a few days in a row for a golden color. Well, I've never used anything like this, so let's just check it out, I guess. Smell, babe. That smells good, huh? Does it ever smell good? Okay, so I don't know. It's supposed to make you bronzy. Am I bronzy? Yeah, that's nice, huh? Nice bag. Got my little son here peeking at my stuff. Okay, so next, good photo bombing me, you little sucker. Okay, so next we have this Lou by Jean or Jean. It's Jean. Jean Seo Erase Cleansing, Exfoliating, and Brightening Powder. It should have it, you know, like it should have had a top on it to show that it was brand new and no one messed with it. I don't know. I guess I'm just supposed to trust. It's hard for me to trust with all the things that goes on in this world. It says it's exfoliating and brightening powder. It says combine this loose powder exfoliator made with milk, powder, and oats with water. Apply, wait a minute, massage it away, and it unclogs pores and renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. What the heck? Okay. Yeah, so I guess this is an exfoliating powder. We have a Laritzi Cosmetics lip gloss in Vibe, it says. This pale pinkish nude gloss has a 60s vibe, sheer with warm tones for a more modern and more flattering take on that classic sex kitten lip color. Super pretty with dark eye makeup or layered as a highlight over a deeper nude lip color. Just make sure your lips are smooth or apply it over a balm. It's less cute on chapped skin. So in other words, they're saying exfoliate your lips before you use it. Oh, I like the tip on there. Feels really good. Feels kind of thick though. Feels thick. So there's that stuff all in my Allure beauty box. Here, Carm, you can play with those. Oh, one drop, babe. One fell down. Grab it. Yeah, it's just been one of them days. Actually, today is the 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. I don't know if I'll get this up today, but I just figured I'd sit and play with my stuff. And there's my products. I don't like that. It feels too thick. Sorry. So open this up. Same thing. You open it up. Got your products, and you get this. This is $21 a month. The Allure Beauty box is like $10 a month, I believe. We'll start right on the top. It says we got a Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3 Glow Level Extreme. Let's see how this looks. Like this. That's cute, huh? Seems to have 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 bronzers. Oh, is that ever pretty? But the thing itself looks kind of dirty, see? See how dirty that looks right there? Most ones that I open, I'm sorry, but they just, some of them have marks on them and what have you. Just meet your new everyday staple, the 6 shade Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette V3 formulated with Amazonian clay. Delivers streak and fade flawless wear. Tap into the blush, highlighter, and bronzer shades for a sculpted dimensional look. $45. Next, we got the Touch and Soul No Pore Bloom Prime Essence. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Soul No Pore Bloom Prime Essence, infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Primer or essence, because it says essence. At the last step of skincare, apply moderate amount and gently pat over the skin until it is fully absorbed. You go play with it. Yeah. It says last step of skincare. Isn't that cute? Whoa, that's like really watery. I just got these in, you know, it's easier. There's a mic right here I can talk into. You guys should be able to hear me with the loud noise of my children. Whoa. Look at that. Okay, so I got that in. Feels really good. Feels good. Feels super good. Look at how pretty it made my skin look. This is a keeper. I don't know. Maybe I'll use it after my skincare. I have no idea. We'll see. It says that's $23. Next thing we have is Dominique Cosmetics, and I'm so happy to actually get to own something of hers. I just love her. Kristen Dominique. It says Lemonade Lip Gloss. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with this lightweight, non-sticky balm like Lemonade Lip Gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. The sheer gloss is long-lasting and flexible, so you can wear it alone or layer it over your favorite lipstick. And it says $17. It's pretty. It's like a pinky. Isn't that cute? Look at how cute that is. Just looks so cute. Carmen, don't do that. That feels way better. This feels way better than that Laritzi one. The Laritzi one was just too thick. It felt really thick on my lips. But this one, it's not sticky either. But I think I'm gonna keep the box for it too, because you know, I just want to keep it. I love her. We love her. So if I didn't say, that was $17. Next is the Skin & Co. Roma Triple Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. I think I had this before in I got from Ipsy. It was just a small one. And it's dull skin with Triple Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream. This luxurious cream formula gently and effectively removes all makeup. That's a pretty strong claim. And impurities while hydrating fine-sensitive skin. Formulated with pure black truffle extract and sweet almond oil, this gentle cleanser delivers intense hydration while improving skin resilience and tone. This cleanser is formulated with essential fatty acids to help maintain the skin's natural moisture barrier. $25 it says for this. Made in Italy. Well, this one's actually has a seal. Things should always have seals. I don't understand why they don't have seals on some of this stuff. It smells so good. You can smell like, and did I say there's almond in there? Yep, sweet almond oil, yep. You can definitely smell that. It's $25. The next thing we have is this Dirty Little Secret Lip Liner. The smooth and creamy, this Dirty Little Secret Lip Liner is here to help you create the perfect pout. Actually has a seal. That's what I look for. I mean, I know it's annoying getting the seals off, and a lot of people complain about the seals, but it's like, I want a seal. I want it to be sealed up. We just don't know in this day and age. You just don't know what you're gonna get. You might even just get a hairy lipstick. I mean, come on now. There's stuff on there, so we know that it's safe. Really cute color. I guess I'll have to try that next time without the gloss on first. Yeah, that's what I got in my Boxycharm and in my my Allure beauty box. So yeah, I noticed I'm almost at 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel here. So when I want to do like a giveaway. Well, probably won't be nothing huge, nothing big, but I want to do a little giveaway to show my appreciation to whoever's watching my channel. So hopefully soon I can do that giveaway for you guys. Please make sure to leave a comment. Give me a like. I'm just a mommy here. I'm not anything super special. I just love makeup. I love skincare. I'll come on here all haggy looking like I do right now. I just don't care, you know, it's like whatever. I'm a real person. I'm not a big professional or whatever. I'm just a mom who loves makeup, who gets lonely, do unboxing, or I'll play with makeup, you know. So next time, I want to play with my Baby H Alyssa Edwards palette. I just got it. I did a look on my Instagram. My Instagram's just the same, you know, as my name on here. @_Sheree Burr. So it's @_SHARAEBURR on Instagram. I just did a look with the palette. If you want to go check it out. I think I'll recreate that look soon. Have a good one. Hope you subscribe. I hope you like my little unboxings, and hopefully soon I can have a giveaway for you guys. Have a good rest of your day. Enjoy your 4th of July. Thank you. I'm gonna go now.